What is going on, everyone? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, we're just going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market and its current conditions, because a lot of people have fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And I think that's valid. It is valid to think, there's some sort of fear and extent of uncertainty within this market. And to add on top of that, maybe a little bit of doubt, creating the term FUD. Now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the top altcoins in the market are all significantly down. One of our own favorites, SHIB, is down 6.42%, Ethereum down about 3%, eyeing to go below $4,000, and so is Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and talk about why the market is doing what it's doing today, and personally for me, why I'm identifying this for smart and well-seasoned investors. Typically, we see this as a buying opportunity where we dollar cost average in. Now remember, I always like to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I'm just trying to put you guys on the plays that I am in. That is all. So let's go ahead and dive in to some of the articles that specifically talk about what it is that is causing the sell-off, a continued sell-off day after day after day, and why I believe we will have a recovery rally here soon. Now, I want to mention there's a link in the description below for those of you who are maybe first-time viewers to get your 5 free stocks when you deposit money into your Moomoo trading account. Up to $17,500 could be yours when you deposit money into your account. And in addition, because it is the season of giving, through the first of the month, December 6th through January 1st, they're offering everybody the chance to get an iPhone. There are 17 available, Oculus Quest 2s, and that's the virtual reality set, and additional GoPro shares. So Moomoo has been a fantastic, affiliate of the channel, and I've really been enjoying the program that they're offering. So make sure you get your 5 free stocks when you click the link. It's literally free money waiting for you and potentially some really cool items. Now, let's go ahead and dive in. First and foremost, extreme fear in crypto, as the market weakens on Monday on expectations of aggressive tightening. Last week, the markets was spooked by the U.S. mixed job reports, and investors now expecting a more aggressive tightening by the Federal Reserve. U.S. payrolls were underwhelmed in November, but at the same time, there were 1.1 million jump in jobs that pushed unemployment down to 4.2%, so which is actually positive. We think the Fed will view the economy as much closer to full employment than previously thought, said Barclays economist Michael Gappin. So again, you guys can see volatility is at its highest, and the sell-off has been pretty significant. So that's one thing that we need to make sure we take into account. In addition, what we need to look at is what's happening in India. So Indian authorities may discuss crypto bill this week with possible ban in sight. Big news articles are saying that when India did confirm they are not looking to ban crypto, rather just regulate it a little bit. And I believe because of all the rug pulls that we have seen in 2021, in addition, all the hackings and things of that nature, we do need some sort of regulation. We can't just have all these random tokens pop in without any use case, without any utility, without any, audit or contract audit, things that are a must to make sure investors are safe in the space instead of just a place for people to lose money or a significant amount of money. Thankfully, a lot of people who have been a part of the Patreon and Discord have been making significant gains this year. But regardless, there are still people who are unfortunately losing money in the market. And that's a pretty red flag, especially in this kind of thing. So again, amid the uncertainty around India's next course of cryptocurrency regulations, the country's cabinet is reportedly planning to meet and discuss the way forward. So here, personally for me, I'm not worried, and I think this is going to be an actual positive catalyst when they announce we are not going to be banning crypto. Rather, we're looking to regulate it to an extent to make sure no random assignments of tokens are going to be just, being pumped out and harming our investors and our economy. So again, guys, looking at all these different things, there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. You can look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Currently, it's at 16, meaning a lot of fear in the market. And I always say, I love what Warren Buffett says. So it's not my saying, but it's actually Warren Buffett's, and he's been successful in the stock market. So why can't we do the same in the crypto market? When there's a lot of fear in the market, that is the time to be greedy, as Warren says. But when there's a lot of greed in the market, that is the time for us to be fearful. So right now, for smart investors or people who are looking to make the most money, they wait and for the market to go red. So these last 4 days have been the best buying opportunities that we have seen in a really long time, as the market continued to rally day in and day out. In addition to all the things that I've mentioned now, The other thing you need to make sure is we don't know when the bottom is going to be, nor does anybody else. No one can predict the future. But based off sentiments, based off the potential for a recovery rally during the month of December that we typically see during any bull cycle back in 2013 and in 2017, and add in the mix inflation right now, right? Inflation is at all-time highs. What is it, over 5%, I believe, which is just ridiculous. The economy and then the money printing continues here in the United States. So regardless, I think that the crypto market it's a lot different than it was previously if we go back in time and look at how things were in the previous bull cycles. So I think mass adoption is incoming for the space. We do need a little bit more regulation to ensure people are safe in terms of the investors. But last but not least, I do believe that the recovery rally is going to be imminent for the crypto market. So guys, I really appreciate everybody's love and support. If you've enjoyed the video and got anything out of it, make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. But that's all I had for you guys today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.